In this video, we'll see about how we can access custom metadata records in a flow. So I have an account record here. Inside this account record, I have a field called as type, which is of picklist type, and it has like three values: gold, silver, and bronze. So we have some fixed prices for each type. So I have created a custom metadata type called as prices. So I'll just show you the custom metadata as well. So this is the custom metadata type which I added. So it has like predefined prices. For bronze, the price is $6,000, and for the gold, the price is $3,000, and for the silver, the price is $4,000. So for example, here my scenario is this is my account record. Under this account record, my account type is gold. So if I want to create any opportunity under this account record, the amount value in opportunity the amount value in opportunity should be populated by getting the value from a custom metadata. For example, if the account field in opportunity record has a type of gold, that means it should go to metadata and see what's the price of gold and take the price from the metadata and populate in the opportunity. So this is my scenario here. So for example, if this account type is gold, then amount value should be auto populated with $3,000, which will be coming from the custom metadata. So we'll cover up this scenario here. So the first thing is we're going to create a record trigger flow on an opportunity object. To create a record trigger flow, just click on settings, go to setup, search for flows, click on flows, click on new flow, select record trigger flow, click on next, select auto layout. And the first thing is we're going to choose the opportunity object. So here the opportunity, and I want to filter the condition. I'll just add a filter condition here. So what I'll do is account ID is null should be false. I need only the opportunities where account ID exists. Click on done and make sure trigger the flow when a record is created or updated, and run the flow before the record is saved. Just click on done. Now I'm gonna do one thing here. I'll just add a new element here to get the custom metadata records. To get a custom metadata records, I'm gonna do one thing. I'll just click on this get records element, and here I'm gonna name it as get prices. We have to fetch the custom metadata. So this is my custom metadata name, price MDT, and here we have to filter the records. So for this type, this will be the price. For example, if the account type is gold, the value populated should be 6,000, and if it's the account type is the account type is gold, the value should be 3,000. If account type is silver, the value should be 4,000. If the account type is bronze, the value should be 6,000. So based on that, we need to get that. So here I'm going to filter the condition based on the account type. So what I'll do is if qualified API name equal to, so qualified API name includes the value of this. For example, if I try to access this record called as price name, so this will be the API name where we need this, the value for this is bronze. So this will be the API name. I mean, this field is called as API name. So based on that, we're gonna filter it. Qualified API name equal to account type. Account type is coming from the opportunity from account where account is parent dot type. That means we are getting only the price for this particular type, and just click on done. Before that, just cross check like only the first record. We need to get only the first record and just store automatically store all fields. So basically what's happening here is it's basically we are doing a where clause. We are doing a where clause where price name equal to the account type coming from the opportunity. So qualified API name is nothing but the API name for this field. The API name for this field where we are storing this value bronze. So basically the condition will be where API name equal to the account type coming from the opportunity. So dollar record is opportunity here. And just click on done. So here we have to cross check whether this record exists or not, whether we are getting any this query returning any results or not. For that I'm going to use a decision element. I'll just name this as check if prices exist. And for the first outcome price exists, this will be the outcome name, and here I'm going to give a condition like get prices is null is false. Click on done. So now if this record if this query returns any result, this loop will be executed. So basically what we are doing here is the first thing is from the opportunity we are giving the account, from that parent account we are getting the type, and based on the type we have to populate the amount in opportunity. So those price details are captured in custom metadata. So here we are getting the price details in this element called as get records, and here we are getting all the uh, price record from the custom metadata. So now if this condition is satisfied, that means there is a price record exists under this account type, and now we have to update it. We have to update it in the opportunity. So for that I'm going to use an assignment activity as we are running this flow before the record is saved. I'll just name this as update amount, and here what I'll do is amount is equal to opportunity dot amount equal to prices from get prices dot price, and just click on done. Click on save. I'll just name this as populate amount on opportunity. Click on save. Just activate your flow. Yeah, now let's try to test it. So what I'll do is, so I already created an account and the account type is gold, and you can see in my custom metadata type the price for the gold is, you can see it's $3,000. So whenever I create a new opportunity under this account, the amount value should be 3000. So now to test it, I'm going to create a new opportunity under this account. I'll just populate all the required fields and click on save. So I'll just open this opportunity here. You can see here my amount value is pre-populated. So this value is coming from the custom metadata type. So this value is coming from the custom metadata type, and the same thing we are doing in the flow builder. And the same thing we are doing in the flow builder. First thing is we are getting the custom metadata records based on the account type. Based on the account type we are fetching the record and just updating that value in my amount. And you can also debug this here as well. You can just click on this debug and just select an opportunity. So this is the opportunity which I selected. I'll just make this as run the flow as if the record is updated and just click on run. You can see here first thing is what exactly happening here is I've given the account type as gold. You can see here as well, and this return me a value successfully found records, and this decision successfully satisfied like price exist, and it has updated the amount. You can see you can see the record amount is updated with 3000. Because the flow ran in rollback mode, any changes to add or delete or modify records were rolled back, so don't worry about it. And now it's all looking good, but I'm going to test it by inserting some bulk records. So I'm going to insert some bulk records. So first thing is what I'll do is I'll insert 1000 accounts. So I'm going to use this code, and for the 1000 accounts, the account type I'm just populating it as gold. So I'll just insert this 1000 accounts first. Now my accounts are inserted. I already inserted 1000 accounts. You can see these are the accounts which I inserted. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just create opportunities under that accounts. So what I did is like I'm just fetching all the accounts. I'll just add a statement here where created date is equal to today. And for each account I'm adding one each opportunity. For each account which are created today, I'm adding an opportunity for it and just inserting it. And we have to make sure once the opportunity is inserted, opportunity amount value should be updated with 3000, as each account has a type of gold. So opportunity value is updated with 3000. I'll just execute this piece of code, and see if the opportunity amount is updated or not. Now my opportunities are created. Let's see if the amount is updated in the opportunities or not. For that, I'm gonna query it. So I'll just use querytor here. I'll just fetch amount as well from opportunity, where created date is equal to today. Click on execute. You can see for all the opportunities, amount is populated as 3000. As we selected the account type as gold, the amount values is populated with 3000. Now I just executed this query, which has an inner query, and which will give me the parent and child records here. So I just fetched all the accounts which are created today with also the child opportunities. So you can see here these are the accounts which we created, and the type of this account is gold, and also you can see opportunity amount is updated to 3000.